Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a closer look at the latest edition in the Raw Mints Music Legends series featuring legendary rock band The Who. For more information, please view our product pages or click the link in the notes below. All the coins in the series feature Henry Gray's design of a guitar-shaped pinball machine and the iconic band's mod logo on reverse. The obverse features the fifth portrait of Queen Elizabeth by artist Jody Clark. The 1 ounce silver-proof coin that you can see here also features a coloured design and, unique to the coin, a bespoke edge with the engraved words Pinball Wizard. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date with our new releases and more precious metal content.